welcome back to another episode of my WeBull investing series. So as you guys know, I started a WeBull portfolio. My overall plan for this is to have a longer term plan. So I'm planning on keeping my money in this portfolio for at least 10 years, hopefully, unless something horrible happens. So as of right now, I have invested about $700 into my portfolio, and I have $92 just kind of sitting and waiting in cash. So let me show you guys how we did today. So I have 30 shares of Blink Charging, which is taking off for me at this very moment in time with a positive balance of $71 for the, not for the day, but just in general. And again, I still have Upwork, which is up $13 for me, Facebook, which is up $7, and PPL Electric Company, which is almost a positive $2, mostly just because it's a dividend stock and pays quarterly dividends, so I don't expect it to go up sky high or anything like that. But Blink Charging at the moment is huge, doing huge work. And as you can see here, whoops, my hotkey did not want to work for me. How did that happen? It just kind of disappeared. Not sure where it went. Whoa, oh, I see. So it just like moved it around. But anyways, okay, so Blink Charging currently up 8.59% for the day, which is fabulous. I'm so happy to hear. And just taking a look at the company website, you've probably seen this in vlogs of people that have Tesla. The charging stations look very similar to this. And these stations do work with Tesla. And why is it going up? So let's look at this news article. This article was published on September 22nd. And as I'm recording this, it is September 29th. So they announced on the 22nd that they sold or deployed 539 EV charging stations in the US during the COVID months, June, July, and August of 2020. So those numbers are fabulous because it's 100%, nearly 100% increase over the same 3-month period in 2019 as the EV, or as people continue to buy electronic vehicles, and everyone knows that EV is going to be huge in the future. You know, there's a bunch of companies that are investing in electric vehicles and, you know, better for the environment, everything like that. And I'm excited for someday to own a Tesla or some sort of electronic vehicle just to see what all the hype is about. So obviously, with more electronic vehicles on the road, you're going to need more charging stations. So it makes a lot of sense for people to start investing in charging company stocks. I'm sure there's going to be other stocks similar to Blink Charging in the future. We just don't know. We don't know when yet. So I'm going to be keeping a lookout for additional stocks that I could be investing in relating to electronic vehicles, because right now my Robinhood portfolio is pretty much based off of EV stocks. To do a follow-up video on that in the near future. But again, just very happy where I'm at currently with my WeBull portfolio. And if you guys would like to sign up for WeBull and get 2 free stocks, feel free to use my referral link in the description below. If you deposit $100 or more, both you and I will get 2 free stocks. So if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Let me know what you guys think about Blink Charging, and if you own any shares, what price you bought it in at, and will you be purchasing more? I'm planning on purchasing more, waiting to see what happens if it dips anytime within the next couple of weeks, because it's just been going up, and I'm anticipating some sort of drop sometime in the near future just because it's steadily going up, and I don't know, I'm skeptical, a little skeptical at the moment, just waiting to see what happens. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.